In this video, I will show you how to create talking animated avatar in a simple and different way. The first thing we need is a character for your video. We'll use Lexica Art for this. You can create an account and use free. Now, I want Lexica to create a character without a mouth for us. Don't worry. I will add the necessary prompt to the descriptions for this. After several attempts, I'm choosing my character. We need to download a video of a talking mouth with a green screen. For this, we go to YouTube and search for green screen mouth. From the results, we download a mouth video that will be compatible with our character. We open CapCut and create a new project. We import our character into the project. After, press Modify and set the ratio to 16:9. Drag the edited image into the timeline. Import the green screen mouth video you downloaded into your project and add it to the timeline. I will set it as a 12-second video. I'm expanding the image until the 12th second, and I'm cropping the long green screen video at the 12th second. I'm deleting the rest. As you can see, it's a mouth animation saying something. You just need to remove the green background. Click on that layer, choose Video Cutout, Chroma Key, Color Picker, and click on the green background. Increase the strength and shadow to the maximum. Now, we need to position these mouths on the character's mouth. We're exporting the video. And there you have it. Your talking anime character ready in seconds.